Hello everyone, I am Ajay CP, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today we'll see one more problem on dimensional analysis using Rayleigh's method. The resisting force R of a supersonic plane during flight can be considered as dependent upon the length of the aircraft L, velocity V, air viscosity mu, air density ρ, and bulk modulus of air K. Express the functional relationship between these variables and the resisting force. The resisting force depends upon length L, then velocity, viscosity, air density, and bulk modulus. We can write the expression R is equal to, since the bulk modulus is represented as K, so constant will not take it as K, I can take any other letter. Here I have taken it as B. L power A, velocity power B, mu power C, rho power D, and K power E. Now I'll write all the parameters in terms of M, L, and T form. R is resisting force. Force is mass into acceleration. Acceleration L into T power minus 2. Mass is M, so M L T power minus 2. Velocity, distance by time, L by T, or L T power minus 1. Viscosity, M L power minus 1 T power minus 1. Density, mass by volume, M by L cube, or M into L power minus 3. Bulk modulus is M L power minus 1 T power minus 2. Bulk modulus is equal to change in pressure to volumetric strain. The volumetric strain doesn't have any units because it is delta V divided by V. So change in pressure or pressure is force by area. So force is M L T power minus 2 divided by area is L square. So it will become M T power minus 2 divided by L, or if L is brought to the numerator, it will become M L power minus 1 T power minus 2. Now we'll substitute the values in this equation. Now we should find the values of A, B, C, D, and E by equating the powers of M, L, and T. First we'll equate the power of M. 1 is equal to C plus D plus E. Power of L. 1 is equal to A plus B minus C minus 3D minus 1. Power of T. Minus 2 is equal to minus B minus C and minus 2. Now there are 5 unknowns and 3 equations. Express the 3 equations in terms of 2 unknowns. So in this problem, the viscosity and the bulk modulus are considered as the most important parameters. So we have to represent A, B, and D in terms of C and E. Now, in the first equation, I can write D is equal to 1 minus C minus E. So I have represented D in terms of C and E. Next, the third equation, I can write B is equal to, bring B to the LHS, B is equal to 2 minus C minus 2. So I have represented B also in terms of C and E. Now, in the second equation, substitute the value of B and substitute the value of D. Then I can represent the value of A in terms of C and E. Then simplify. After simplification, I will get the value of A is equal to 2 minus C. So I have represented A, B, and D in terms of C and E. Now we'll substitute the value of ABD in the resistance force equation, keeping C and E power as C. The value of A 2 minus C, B 2 minus C minus 2E, C keep as it is, D 1 minus C minus E, keep E as it is. Now we'll reshuffle the terms. First we can write here L square into L power minus C, V square, V power minus C, V power minus 2E, rho power 1, rho power minus C, rho power minus C, and K power E. Now we'll write down the powers L square, V square, and rho power 1 one side. Then L power minus C, V power minus C, mu power C, rho power minus C terms one side. Then the power minus 2E, rho power minus E, and K power E terms one side. Then we can write B into L square, V square into rho, and mu power C, L power minus C, bring it to the denominator, L power C, rho power minus C, bring to the denominator, rho power C, and similarly V power minus C, bring it to the denominator, and the power C is taken outside, so it will become mu divided by rho L V. Next, here it is K power E, bring this into the denominator, and bring V power minus 2E to the denominator. It will become K power E divided by rho power E and V power 2E, and take the power E outside. It will become K divided by rho into V square. The last step, we can introduce one more constant, that is phi. So P L square V square rho into phi multiplied by mu divided by rho LV into K divided by rho into V square. This is the final answer using Rayleigh's method. So thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mech Basics.